Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TapLab here, back at it with another buying $1 of Bitcoin everyday update. Today is day number 1,167 in a row. Bitcoin current price $40,396, up about 1.3% today, down about 6% on the week. You can see it's kind of holding this $40,000 level right now. So hopefully that continues to hold. About dead even on the month and down 34% on the year, but still you can see this is a lot of sideways action here. Bitcoin clings to 40K support as focus returns to BTC price super cycle. I see a lot of guessing in this news where people don't know what's going to happen, so they just make a story or they make something to get clicks, to get views. So it's hard to take any of this seriously. It's just ideas, essentially. Bitcoin institutional buying could be big narrative again as 30K BTC leaves Coinbase. So 30,000 Bitcoin bought on Coinbase. MicroStrategy still telling people to buy Bitcoin. Bitcoin 2022 highlighted the most important aspects of Bitcoin. It's true as a lot of inflation happens and a lot of currencies from other countries devalue. Bears control Bitcoin price, but traders say the 40K zone is still good for longs. Arcane Crypto releases Bitcoin Lightning Network research. So nothing too crazy in the news, just a lot of speculative stuff about the 40K price zone. Bitcoin owned 0.094966665, slowly working our way to 0.1 Bitcoin, almost there. Also almost very close to 0.095. So let's go ahead and make today's Bitcoin purchase. Tap buy, tap $1, tap next. Scan my face. It's going to give us our order details here and tap confirm. Just like that, purchased $1 more of Bitcoin, tap done. Scroll down here and see my balance now. 0.0949966. So close to that 0.095. I think I'll be able to get that tomorrow. But let's go ahead and do the math on this. $3,839 in my balance divided by 1,167 days equals a 3.28x on my investment. What that means for every dollar that I've put into this experiment, I now have $3.28. We'll also go ahead and do the gain math on this. $3,840 minus 1,167 days equals $2,673 gained. Very happy with that and looking forward to continue dollar cost averaging for this experiment. Let's go ahead and look at a couple other things we have pulled up here on the screen. Cash App, the app that we're using right now, just dropped new merch. So their merch is pretty crazy, pretty out there. Some wild, vibrant designs, as you can see as I scroll through this quickly here. The one that I really like is this Bottom Dweller crew neck t-shirt. I might go ahead and pick that one up, we'll see. Moving over to lookintobitcoin.com, and we're taking a look at the Bitcoin wallet sizes that are greater than 1 Bitcoin. So this is the amount of wallets that hold 1 Bitcoin or more. Try and zoom in here a little bit. And you can see previously the all-time high was around 830,000 wallets. And we've broken that all-time high currently. So 833,679 wallets that hold 1 Bitcoin or more. I made a video about this before where I thought maybe this would go down, but you can see strong growth here. So people stacking Bitcoin right now for sure. Strong growth since June of 2021. So I would guess that's a major goal for a lot of people right now. I don't know what to think about that metric. I just think it's a cool metric to look at. Real quick, Genesis Syncronauts, Neon Rain NFT marketplace coming soon. This should be like testing by the end of this month. Floor price 0.95 ETH for a Synchronaut. If you own one, you have co-ownership of this marketplace and future NFT and DeFi products that they make. You can participate in building the product, give feedback, give ideas, vote, everything like that. And then you will also benefit financially from the success of the marketplace and the products that they make. So if you stacked up here around 1 ETH, looks like that's the going price, the price that people are looking to sell theirs at. You know, the mint price was 0.25, so that's a 4x. So maybe People are looking to take a little bit of profit here. 1 ETH moves pretty quickly, once those few are bought up at that range. But there you have it. There's the update for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.